RJC Explores and Exploring with Kev. We've got to be very quiet. There's security is really close here, so we can't use no torches. We're still at the same place, which is the old naval training base. There used to be a police training base, Napoleonic fort, and World War II stuff. So we just come into these buildings here, which we're going to have a look at. We've just come from another Napoleonic fort. Just going to come through in here. And yeah, it's quite interesting. Yeah, it's quite interesting at the moment. Yeah, so this is I'll show you Shotley Battery and HMS Ganges training place. We've got to be very quiet, so excuses whispering. This is the last building we're going to do today. What's that? It's only to give torches. He's like, don't use no torches. Puts on the. Yeah, you reckon? Oh, look. There goes some another way in. Totally been trashed in here. But yeah, a security man's got a caravan type thing in the middle of the compound, so we're just trying to work around him without getting busted. I mean, there's probably another 8-9 different buildings in total to get round. This place is absolutely massive. I don't know what's in here. Looks like toilets, maybe. Yeah, more toilets. All been ripped out. No? Put your light on if you want, Kev. Don't worry about it. Just do it. Remember, anyone comes, just run. Run. No. See, these iPhones ain't too bad.
They're really good.
Look at that payphone place. Look, there's another, please keep your feet off the wall. Yeah, look, it was a payphone, look. It's alright, just had a massive bang, so I'm going to head down here. It's like cat and mouse at the moment. Oh my God. Carries on down here. I'll put my torch on a little bit, so. Yeah. Just going to keep going and going. There's bangs and everything all the way in there. I don't know who it is or what. Don't know. Toilets. Danger, floor cleaning in progress. Cool. Right. Stuff only. What's in here? Cupboard. Right. Keep going. Too much noise, we can't open it. 86. That's like more rooms where they would have slept and everything. Just turn this off a minute in here. There is an upstairs, which we're going to go up in a minute. What's this saying here? Any diabetic damage to carpet will be charged for. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to go upstairs, yeah? I'm going to do the upstairs.
Yeah.
Probably we'll try not to use the torches. Anyway, let's go. He says, I've got Yeah, I've got no torch. But to use the torch, it's getting a bit dark outside as well, so I've got to be a bit careful. Alright, it's alright, turn that off now. Let's have a look upstairs. Right. We're alright this way. It's just up this side. This is like a bit newer compared to the other ones.
Which way do you want to go?
Okay.
Anyway.
Toilets. Bathrooms. Have a look. Yeah. The place is proper overgrown. Yep. Let's keep going, man. Keep pushing on. There's loads more buildings that I really want to get into as well. But that's where his the security man's little shed is type thing. Oh, have a look here. Some more buildings over there. And this place is absolutely huge, isn't it, Kev? I mean, I'll have a count up later, see how many buildings I've actually been in, but I still reckon there's probably the same again to get in. There's probably about another 6 or 7 big buildings to get in.
Yeah.
Obviously, a lot of them might be like rooms like this, but the ones where the security man is, they're not. They're different. But anyway. Oh, that's a bit different, people. Doubles and rooms 110 to 120. I'll just leave it. Oh, right here. And look out over here, so we can see anything. Language, Timothy. It's alright, don't worry about it. It's really funny, like we're tiptoeing through the tulips here. It's alright.
Not to swear today.
It's you, isn't it? You've been swearing loads today.
Quite a liberal man.
It's a bit jumpy, that's why. And look out here. Opens up out here actually. I mean, there's like, try not to. You can see that there's another building through just to the right of them trees. I mean, it looks like it's earmarked for building over there, to be honest. Whether this is going to be bulldozed down or what, I don't know. But there's a building over there that I really want to get in, but it's like, do we risk it? 117, and it just keeps going and going. Holy moly. Please switch off the lights. So what have we got here then? Another toilet. Another bath. Be careful of the glass. You're having a laugh. No, I'm not. I'm having a bath. What? Oh, what do we have here? Wow. Might be over. Hang on, Kev. Excuse me, people. I'll just peek out. Oh, if you can see that, people. Got that building over there. I can't see where his thing is. I want to see if we can get into that cave. If we can get down these steps. I'm gonna have a quick look. Let's have a look. Hang on. it's safe. You can probably get in that one. Let's get down. He's in over there. He's not here. You can't get down there anyway because it's all blocked off. All right.
Is he far away from us?
Yeah, I think he's not. We're all right at the moment. We're all right. So let's get down here. Okay, people, we're coming back down here. Kev. What was that? Stock. I'll tell you something, people. Whatever that is. It's a dog. It's not a dog. I've never had a bloody dog like that before. Right, do it right. Now we've got 3 options here.
Don't just stand here, we've got to get
No, there's nothing. Kev, there's no. It's not a dog. Fucking dog. It's not a dog. It's either a deer or a fox.
That's a dog.
It's not. It's a deer or a fox. Or if this is not a deer or a fox, you're looking at the Wendigo or a skin breaker or walker, whatever they call them. It's not a dog. Sounds like a monkjack deer.
Is it?
Yeah.
Fucking horrible.
There's another one. It's either a fox or a deer. But it's attention we don't really need. Or, like I say, it's a skinwalker. Mothman. Oh. How did we get in here anyway? Is it this way? Yeah. Alright. We didn't go down here. Yeah. That's a deer. Tell people it's proper spooky. You know what I mean? When you're trying to dodge security, you've got things going off everywhere, banging, slamming, all sorts of stuff. Either way, it's been a fun day, isn't it?
Yeah. This one's definitely right on the edge now.
And yep, that's the way to live, Kev. On the edge, mate. Always on the edge. Just having a peek out here, people. Right. No, you're not getting down those steps, so we've got to go out the way we come in. Over that land over to the right hand side, yeah, that's all earmarked for building. So you know what's going to happen here eventually, don't you?
Yeah.
There is one last building I'd like to get in over there.
Yeah, and if you're knocking it down, you might have security.
I can't see them turning it into anything. If they let it go much longer than what it's like now, then they're not going to be able to do anything with it, are they? Still hear stuff. You hear it? It's not a dog. A dog doesn't go, oh. A dog will be barking, mate. It's a fox or a deer. My money's on a deer. Okay. Can't get out that way, can we? Let's back up this way. So we've got banging, we just come from that way, people, and we've got banging from upstairs, not a single bang. We get down here, it's kicking off upstairs. Right. Put my light on real low. It's all kicking off. Which way did we come in here? Is it this way? Turning it off. My days, man. Kev, we've just been up there and let's not bang once, mate. As soon as we come down here, it's just like bang, bang, bang. That's out there. No. Just wait, we're going to wait here a minute.
It's this way out.
Yeah, I know. If that thing's kicking off, security might come down there. You want to go? Right. Right. Go on then. Remember to look out to your right because wherever that thing is. It just went arse over. Yeah, it's way over the other side, Kev, man. You can hear it way over there. It's just travelling through, man. That's the most freakiest noise you want to hear when it's like Halloween night. You're in a building, doors are slamming everywhere. It's like, oh my God. But I'm loving it.
Keep cameras running to the back.
Yeah, I'm keeping my cat. I might even try for one more building, Kev.
Oh, especially
Ready? Go on then. Go. Huh? Left. Right. Let's just walk down to the end here, yeah? Right, go. Right, that's the most weirdest sound. I'm probably 90% sure that's a deer because I do have a bit of a gamekeeping background and that's what it sounds like. If not, like say it's either a skinwalker or some kind of weird creature up there, you know, like the rake or whatever they call it. We've disturbed it from its place. Yeah.
Being Halloween and all.
Yeah, I tell you, in those buildings with it all, the doors banging.
It's a Halloween special.
Yeah. Well, let's go around this way a little bit, Kev. Just going to push this a little bit further, and then we might not even get to these buildings. We might leave it, but it's got to be worth a look. Can always come back another day because it's only. Whatever this thing making this racket is just up here. Oh man. No, ain't no. It's right in there. Listen. People, let me show you Kev's face. Off camera it looks really bad. I don't think it's a dog. See over there, people. That's all obviously building marked out.
The alarm system.
No, it's not an alarm system.
Some alarm systems have got little funny sounds in mind.
What, of an animal?
Yeah.
Alright, we're crossing over, people. Whatever it is, it's moving around. It's freaked us out. Yeah, that's all earmarked for building then. I'm not getting in that way anyway. So scoot round here. Stay there. There's two people just round the corner there. So we'll leave that there. They're not security, Kev. They're looking at the markings where all this lot is. So yeah, but we won't walk into them. Alright, let's have a look here. I'm going to push it just a little bit more. So if anyone comes, I'm just walking off anyway. Over there, there's 3 floors to all that lot over there, and we haven't even got to that today. So Kev, what do you reckon?
No, not that one, because that's more brother.
Alright, we've pushed our luck enough today. I'm willing to come back here another weekend if you are, and we'll push it and see if we can get into this lot. And there's more buildings past all this as well.
I reckon that one they're guarding the most.
Could be right. Either way, we'll find a way. Right, people, we're going to leave it like that because I kept on pushing Kev, and you know what I mean, I think we've done alright really, haven't we? I think we've done pretty well. So that deer barking has freaked us out a bit, and it's Halloween night and it's starting to get dark a little bit. We've got about half-hour walk back, so yeah. Anyway, it has been a very good day. We've done numerous amounts of videos. Been lucky so far. Hopefully we'll get out of here and security won't rumble us, and if they do, I can run really quick. Shame about Kev though, he's got a bad leg, so be alright though, mate. Nah, I wouldn't even. Anyway, yeah, we're going to leave it there. We've enjoyed today. Hope you enjoy all these videos that are going to come from here. And like I say, I think if we do come back, Kev, it's going to have to be pretty quick because they are going to be building here and security is going to be stepped up loads more.
Yeah.
So there you are. We'll leave it there, people. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed all this. There's still lots of buildings to get into, lots of stuff to be discovered here, and I'm pretty sure there is more World War II stuff all buried in all these mounds. Yeah. What is that, Kev? Hang on a minute, people. Just in case we discover something else. Don't know, that might just be a drain. Is it? Yeah, oh well. What is... Hang on a minute. There is more fencing and all that down here. Let's have a little peek here before we go back. Yeah, it's an outer building. It's got a big shiny padlock on it as well, so I'm presuming I can hear it humming, so that's electricity. Yeah, well, as we walked up here anyway from the Martella Tower, I'm pretty sure there is more World War II stuff all underneath these brambles because it's just like littered with mounds and stuff. But we've had a good day, so anyway, Kev, again, Exploring with Kev. Oh, it's just RJC Explorers. Take care. Thank you very much, as always. We'll keep on doing what we do best. Exploring. Cheers, peeps. Bye.